Hey guys, I got this lithium electric grinding tool from Katerk. They sent this to me to review for you guys. This is a cordless grinding tool, so it has all kinds of different attachments that you can put on here. You got little sanders, little drills, little buffing material, brushes, and then you also have some wire brushes, cutting blades, larger polishing rounds, and then some other larger sandpaper rounds. So a lot of the different things that you can use this for. I got this with 3D printing in mind, so I got my 3D printing stuff. I'm able to cut it up, but I also started melting some metal and kind of wanted to use this to like grind it down and kind of buff it out a little bit. But you can see you got 5 different levels on this thing, so 5 levels, and you can use it to buff that metal. I actually already did some buffing on there, so not sure how much more I can get, but it's nice and powerful. Really easy to change the attachments out. You just push that lock button and you kind of turn this. If you need to use a little wrench right there to tighten it up, you can do that, or you can just do it by hand depending on what you're doing. But let me show you this little sanding tool. So again, you just put it in there, push down until that kind of like clicks, and then you tighten it. You can tighten it by hand or use the tool. But then, once you got it, turn it on, and you can use it to sand this 3D printed material. And then also I'll show you one more thing with the with some wood. So you can use this for woodwork and stuff like that as well. So let's see. Got this little drill. All right. So you can do drills. You can drill straight or use it to carve. So anyways, you can do different things with that. Again, you have all those different attachments depending on what you're doing. And you got a cable to charge it with. And again, you got all those extra attachments as well. So really cool device. Excited to have it. A lot of different uses for it. All kinds of things you can do with it. Definitely a must-have in your workshop. So if this video was helpful for you guys in making a decision, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next review video. Thanks.